coffee. So, actually, ang dami pa namin ganito from Dear Diet. But, it's super good actually. And, nakakatipid kami sa kape. Let's go. The background noise that you're hearing is Game of Thrones. Kasi may nanonood. I just came from downstairs and let's unbox our meals for the day. This is mine. This is my 6th week because it's mid-February on Your Diet this year. I'm super happy. I don't have to think about a lot of things. May break lang kami in between kasi we were out. So first is the whoopie pie. Ay, para siyang biscuit. This is 151 calories. Maliit lang naman siya. So sounds good. Coffee. Wala silang tea. I don't know if they only have that with breakfast. And then my fave, aburi poke bowl. I think I'm gonna eat this with it. Hindi pa naman super late. So, an apple. Okay, kumakain na ako ulit ng apples. May time na hindi ako kumakain ng apples kasi nang sawang-sawa ako kumakain ng apples. And then for lunch is the Philly cheesesteak brioche sandwich. I'm gonna opt for rice today because rice is life. Box na rin natin itong macaroni. Same mas protein whoopie pie. Mas mataas na yung protein nito. Tsaka iba itsura niya. Para siyang mas not smooth. Coffee. Aburi. Same. And a slightly bigger Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Actually, mukhang dalawa siya. Or, isa lang siya. Ay, hindi, dalawa. This looks good. Wala siyang apple. Because I think hindi pasok sa macros niya yung carbs ng apple. But, wala din talaga. So, napunta lang sa meat yung calories niya. We're gonna put this in the ref for now. And then I'm gonna eat mine. Lagay na rin natin. Bumaba ako sa Mercury, nakita ko. I'm gonna try it. Pero I know that this has a lot of sugar. It has 15 grams of sugar, which is not bad. Let's open the aburi. So, yung macros nito is, it's 520 calories, 42 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fat, and 30 grams of protein. So, I'll show you kung ano yung itsura niya. So, aburi is usually torched and luto na rin naman. Tapos may bonito flakes yung may bonito flakes yung dish plus the sauce. And they have 5 pieces of edamame. Cool. I think this is the only thing I need. And I usually like their mga poke bowl, aburi. Masarap sila gumawa. Hindi siya malansa. But I don't think they ever made yung raw talaga. Kasi baka magpasok sa food safety standard nila.